Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change currency on your profile on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your Airbnb account, all you need to do now is to click on profile, and then you will need to go to the account settings. And basically now we will find all these settings here, and now we need to go to the global preferences so we can change our currency. And as you can see, there is the preferred currency, and here you can click on edit and you will just choose the currency that you want and then click on save. And by that you will have your currency that will change on your profile. As you can see, I'm using dollar, so now we are seeing the dollar currency here. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.